Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 12th, 2025, and we're diving into Uxin's latest financial results for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Uxin, a leading used car retailer in China, has just released its unaudited financial results for the quarter ended March 31st, 2025. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Uxin reported total revenues of 69.5 million for Q1 2025, which is a 58% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The significant year-over-year increase in revenue is primarily driven by a 141.5% increase in retail transaction volume, despite a seasonal slowdown due to the Chinese New Year. However, it's important to note that the quarter-over-quarter revenue decreased by 15.5%, mainly due to a drop in retail vehicle sales revenue.
And how about profitability?
Uxin's gross margin remained stable at 7.0%, with a slight year-over-year improvement. The net loss for the quarter was $7.1 million, which is a substantial improvement from the $142.7 million loss in the same period last year. This improvement is attributed to better cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Uxin has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their recent initiatives and future outlook?
Absolutely. Uxin's retail transaction volume reached 7,545 units, marking a 141.5% increase year over year. They recently launched a new superstore in Wuhan, which is expected to boost sales further. Looking ahead, Uxin forecasts its Q2 2025 revenue to range between $86.8 million and $91.4 million, with retail transaction volumes expected to exceed 10,000 units.
That's impressive growth. What are the key factors contributing to this positive outlook?
The expansion of their retail footprint and the scaling of operations are crucial. Additionally, their focus on enhancing customer experience, as evidenced by a high Net Promoter Score, is likely to drive future growth.
Financial health and liquidity. Let's discuss Uxin's financial health. Despite the improvements, they reported a net loss of $7.1 million. How is the company managing its liquidity?
Uxin has been proactive in addressing its liquidity challenges. They reported an operating cash outflow of $3.4 million for the quarter. However, they have a strategic plan in place, which includes raising funds through equity and debt financing. This, along with their operational improvements, should help them meet their working capital requirements.
What about their liabilities?
As of March 31st, 2025, Uxin's current liabilities stood at $105.3 million. The company is focusing on maintaining a healthy vehicle turnover rate and managing reasonable vehicle prices to improve their financial position.
CFO Insights. What insights did Uxin's leadership provide regarding their performance and future prospects?
CEO Kun Dai highlighted the strong performance in retail vehicle transactions despite the seasonal impact. He emphasized the healthy inventory structure and the rapid ramp-up of their new superstore in Wuhan. CFO Feng Lin noted the 73% year-over-year increase in retail revenue and a significant 78% reduction in EBITDA loss, underscoring their commitment to cost management and operational efficiency.
It seems like Uxin is on a promising path. Any final thoughts on their leadership's outlook?
Both the CEO and CFO expressed confidence in Uxin's trajectory towards sustainable growth and improved profitability, driven by their strategic initiatives and market expansion.
Key takeaways. In summary, Uxin has shown remarkable growth in its retail transaction volume and revenue, despite seasonal challenges. With strategic expansions and a focus on operational efficiency, the company is well positioned for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Uxin's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Uxin's performance in the comments below. Until next time.